Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to blur background of photo on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to blur photo background on your Samsung phone. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the gallery app and open the photo whose background you want to blur. Click on the photo once, click on edit pencil. Once you click on the edit pencil, locate and click on the first circle at the bottom right. Then click on face effect. Now, keep changing the effect until you get to background blur. Then adjust the background blur to the maximum or to your choice until the background is blur. Once it is blur, click on done. Then click on save at the top right. And then hang on for this to save. Now you should see your photo background blur. So this is the original photo and this is the photo with the background blur, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to blur photo background on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.